Hello, hi, how are you today? Before we get into this, I would like to explain how Cicada's music connects to their lore. Singles are not connected to the lore. I don't know why, but I have to assume it's so Jinhua can overwork them without having to pay for them to run around forests and apocalypse-looking cities. The albums and mini-albums are the only songs connected to the lore. If you want a full video on their lore, let me know, and I'll make a video about it as I have a degree in cicadaology. Anyways, enjoy one of Angelico's best discographies.
Slow it down, make it bounce 지금부터 fly 좀 더 난 spy